wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best fish tanks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the fluval edge has an elegant and visually attractive design, thanks in part to its seamless six-sided profile and sleek lower pedestal, making it seem as though the tank is suspended in mid-air. Additionally, a totally sealed cover allows it to be filled to the brim. It suffers from minimal water evaporation, and a column hides the wiring and filter. However, it is rather difficult to clean. At number 9, available in 3 sizes, the Marina LED comes with a Fluval Aqua Plus water conditioner, as well as a cycle biological supplement designed to make both ordinary tap water and the entire tank environment safe for sustaining aquatic life, particularly betta fish and shrimp. It includes a clip-on filter and fish food, but the lid is a pain to remove. Coming in at number 8 in our list, experience a panoramic view of aquatic pets with the Tetra Cube. The compact design fits easily in tight kitchen, bedroom or office spaces, while the included pedestal base provides extra stability for placement on countertops. Unfortunately, the air pump is rather noisy. It's equipped with a low-voltage power adapter and is very affordably priced. However, the styrene material scratches easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fish tanks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, setting the koller aquatunes apart from the competition is its sturdy one-piece construction and the inclusion of a built-in audio machine, complete with the calming sounds of bubbling brooks and ocean waves, making it an excellent choice for use in a child's room. It features a filter flow rate of 25 gallons per hour and connects to Android and iOS devices, but the lights burn out quickly. Moving up our list to number 6. In addition to a low-profile hood and stunningly bright white LEDs, the Aqueon aquarium kit features a 100-watt preset heater, a thermometer, a fish net, and a low-maintenance Quiet Flow Pro filter, all of which help to ensure tank cleanliness and the longevity of your fish. It comes with an easy-to-follow setup guide and is a good choice for tropical species. However, the filter pads are hard to find. Halfway up our list at number 5. Whether it's picking up a new hobby or teaching a child how to care for their first pet, the glofish crescent is a formidable option. The plastic canopy is equipped with a convenient feeding hole, while the curved front ensures an easy viewing experience. It's perfect for fluorescent species, and the cartridges are simple to replace, but it needs to be cleaned often. At number 4, the desktop-sized penn plax vertex holds 2.7 gallons of water and is large enough to accommodate a single betta fish or a group of shrimp, making it an ideal choice for supplementing a full tank or just learning the ropes when it comes to sustaining small piscine life. It includes a digital thermometer and the glass is 1/8 of an inch thick. However, this one doesn't come with a light. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Experience the wonder of a small coral reef at home with the Red Sea Max Nano. This aquarium offers an attractive rimless design, rotatable high-definition LEDs, as well as integrated Wi-Fi control and circulation systems to keep your fish thriving. It features an easy-access power center, an automatic top-off reservoir, and a quick and straightforward setup. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fish tanks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the sleek and modern style coralife biocube comes with just about everything needed to create a natural and elegant environment for many fish to call home. An integrated 24-hour timer with 3 independent channels allows you to mimic the natural day cycle. It boasts a quietly operating submersible pump, a built-in filtration chamber, and an extra-large viewing area. And taking the top spot on our list, thanks to its resilient acrylic construction, the seaclear 50-gallon is much stronger, lighter, and more impact-resistant than any of its traditional glass-made counterparts, making it an incredibly safe option for fish keeping at home around pets and kids. It supports salt and freshwater fish, and includes a 24-inch light fixture. It won't chip or crack. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for fish tanks, or simply click beneath this video.